For today's episode of 1870 Off-Road, we're going to be driving through Thomaston, Georgia at a little place called Christmas Lane. We have been watching this for years. It's a cool place to go, so we're going to hop in the Jeep, me and some of my family, and a little bit more of my family is actually following behind us in the van. And we're going to drive down this little town. It used to be called Silvertown. I think that's right. Thomaston, it was Old Milltown in Thomaston, Georgia. The road we're going down is Christmas Lane. It's popular. Everybody from several towns away all comes and drives down this lane during Christmas. Check it out.
Yep, sure is.
Yeah, that's cool. I'll get the heat.
There's Flintstones.
That's why I'm hot. My fingers are decent.
There's Santa Claus. Not the only way he said, but he was always out.
Oh, that's
Christmas
cool.
Story.
Yeah, Christmas Story. I couldn't think what that was called. That's Charlie Brown again right there.
Who is that? Yeah, Avatar 2 is at the theater in Griffin.
I didn't really like the first one that much. Oh, there's the Doctor's Real End from Charlie Brown.
Yep.
Let's see if we can get Snoopy over here. There you go, boy. I got Snoopy. They got what theme is that? Well, there's the what's that called? Baby in a Manger. Is that what you call that? The Star of Bethlehem? I can't remember what to call it. Luke chapter 2. We'll call that Luke chapter 2. That's the only thing I know to refer to it as.
The thing moves.
I do.
He's got a magical.
I got 2 chimneys.
He's got magical powers,
You
buddy.
can come in one and out the other. I got an old farmhouse. He can come in whichever chimney he wants to.
Yeah, Uncle Derek's got an old farmhouse.
My brother.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I will not wear it.
Got to get a video of this championship trailer right here.
In a second, buddy.
Easily.
Oh, wow.
So, they don't seem to have the...
Like it all downtown Griffin.
Yeah. Harley says his name is Bluey. Bluey. Now he says Bluey, back to what he said the first time.
Yeah. Georgia sled.
Go dogs. Alright, this is Christmas Lane in Thomaston, Georgia. There's a Christmas Story. Thanks.
Hi.
Alright. Anything else I want to see? Are they ready to head back?
We're heading back.
That was the end. Everybody good? Everybody good? Alright, so for this edition of 1870 Off-Road, we are touring. We're not really touring. Let's try this again.